Hi AnyFans, I'm Carol from Customer Support and I'm here to show you how to configure the Trading Take Profit. To configure the Trading Take Profit, from the Dashboard tab, select the Signals or Strategy section from the menu on the left and find the Pulse card. Click on Automation, select Trading Take Profit and Configure. Before jumping to the configuration, let me give you an overview of how Any operates the Trading Take Profit. So, Any's Trading Take Profit feature comprises two distinct configurations, Trailing Stop Loss and Take Profit. Trailing Stop Loss is a strategy that involves adjusting the stop order of a trade as the market price rises. This approach allows you to lock in a profit margin while remaining in the market, potentially maximizing gains during a bullish trend. At this point, you may also choose to do a Take Profit, selling a portion of your balance when a specific target is achieved. This strategy enables you to secure profits by realizing partial gains at several predefined target levels. Now let's configure the Trading Take Profit together. As I said before, inside this feature there are two configurations. Let's start with the Trading Stop. Here you have the basic and advanced configurations. I'll do the advanced to show you guys the more complete one, but you can set up just the basic. First, you need to decide on the triggering event, target hit or profit percent. For this tutorial, I'll use the target hit. Then you have the start at target, where you select from which target the trailing stop order should start to move. For example, I'll define to start at target 1. For the interval, you select how often the trailing stop loss order should be shifted. If you select one target, it will shift every target. If, for example, you select 2 targets, it will shift every 2 targets. And let's say starting on target 1, this means that it will shift again when target 3 is reached, doing nothing on target 2. The distance is where the stop order should be placed, considering the trigger point. If you decide, for example, for one target below, when each target is reached, it will shift the stop to the target below. And then you have the margin. As you may know, adding a margin between the stop price and the exit price will increase the chances that your order will execute. That's it for the trailing stop. Now, if you want to sell a fraction of your balance at every target, you need to configure the take profit. Note that it's not possible to split the balance for the trading take profit when the position size is too low. That means if one of the parts is less than the minimum order size accepted by the exchange. If that is the case, Any preserves the entire amount and just raises the stop. Here also you have basic and advanced configuration, and as I mentioned before, you can configure just the ones in the basic since the others are already pre-configured. Basis of calculation. The basis of calculation considers two options. Balance left over, that uses the remaining balance for the calculation, or total balance, that uses the accumulated balance over all entries on the signal. We have examples here of each one, so it makes it easier to picture the scenarios. Then you have the order type, market or limit, and the configuration, where you select the fraction amount to profit on each target. Remember that the trailing take profit feature works in conjunction with the take profit, but this takes precedence over the other. For example, if you have trailing take profit on and the take profit set for target 3, the trailing take profit will be effective on targets 1 and 2, shifting the stop loss, and when hitting target 3, the take profit will execute 100% of your balance. Click on Save, and that's it. I'll cover the other automation in other videos. Bye-bye! If you have any questions, remember to go to the Help Center page and feel free to contact our support anytime.